Yes, class, good morning. Today topic your problem solving exercise 6.5. This exercise is very important for you because in this exercise every year board asking 6 marks question without any break. Continuously 6 marks question asking this exercise. Yes. Today I am taking question number first. Exercise 6.5. Find the maximum and minimum value if any. This means any function if attain the maximum value then not attain the minimum value. If any function attain in the minimum value then not attain the maximum value. Only one value is attained. Yes, start the solution here. First, this is the fx equal 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3. First, expand it. 2 to the 4x square plus 1 minus 4x plus 3. Again you solve 4x square minus 4x plus 4. This is your fx. Your first step means equation here write the square form, then I have converted in the simple equation form. Next, first step of the question here, differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to x, means f dash x equal to 4 to the 8x minus 4. This is the value of the differentiation of this function. Next, first step work is complete. After then start the second step. 4 maxima and minima. 4 maxima and minima, then means f dash x equal to 0. It means 8x minus 4 equal to 0. Taking 4 common, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. 2x minus 1 equal to 0 because 4 does not 0. 4 is not 0. 4 is not possible 0. Then 2x minus 1 equal to 0 means product of 4 and 2x minus 1 is 0. So 4 is not 0, it's not possible. 4 is the fixed number, constant number. But then 2x minus 1 it will be 0. So find the value of x here. This is equal to 1 by 2. And this is your critical point. This is your critical point to find the value of maxima and minima. First step work you are complete here. Second step work you are complete. Now after that you will allocate these points. Allocate this point here minus 1 plus 1 by 2. This is the 1 by 2 allocate here. And here left side value. What is the this is the your critical point. This is your critical points. And left side you check the sign. Left side sign and right side sign. We are solving here first order derivative test. Left side sign check and right hand side sign check. So now, what is the sign of the left side here? Left side means suppose a 1 by 2, then left side sign equal to 1, a right side equal to plus 1. Here minus 1 taking, here minus 2 taking. The main sign here 1 by 2. Critical point here 1 by 2 is not minus 1 plus 1. What sign of the if x equal to minus 1. So what value of the f dash x? Putting the value of f dash x. F dash x minus 1 means 8 into minus 1 and minus 4. Answer here come minus 12. It means it is negative sign. Left side sign is the negative. This is the negative sign. And then check the right hand side sign. If x equal to plus 1, then f dash x equal 8 into 1 minus 4. Answer here come 4. It means this is the positive sign. This is the negative, this is the positive. Means right hand side sign is the positive. It means this is converted into negative to positive. This is converted to negative to positive. That means what value of this point is the negative to positive, this sign is the minima point. So x equal to 1 by 2 is minima point. So means left side sign is negative, right hand side sign is the positive, then point x 1 by 2 will be minimum point. Why is the minimum point? Now look here, this is the graph here and this way. The left hand side sign is the negative, this is the negative sign or this is the positive sign, means this point is the minimum point, this is the point is the minimum point. Understand this, keep in mind these things. You see, when sign is that convert negative to positive, then this point will be minimum point. So then you will be, function will be attaining the minimum value, then this function will be attaining the minimum value. So then minimum value of f equal, what value of the f, this is you write putting the value in fx, minimum value f, which point here, in minimum point, in this point, f 1 by 2 equal 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 is whole square plus 3. This will be cancelled here, 1 minus 1 is whole square plus 3, the result will become 3. So this function, the minimum value of the function is 3. This is the minimum point because sign is converted negative to positive. So then this is the minimum point and this is the minimum value. So this is your answer. This is your answer. A function attaining the minimum value is 3 and at point is 1 by 2. So hence function is attained the minimum value minimum value is 3 at x equal to 1 by 2. The function is attained, the minimum value is 3 at point x equal to 2. So this is your final answer. So same things here we will apply in the second part. You note down this, then start the second part. Yes students, first part is completed and now start the second part here. Solution of second part. First we write the function here fx equal 9x square plus 12x plus 2. First, now start the first step here, differentiate this function. So now differentiation of this function is f dash x. So 9 to the 18x plus 12. This is the differentiation of the first step you are complete. Now for second step, for maxima and minima, f dash x equal to 0. For maximum and minima, by rule of the maximum minima, then f dash equal to 0, then 18x plus 12 equal to 0. Taking 6 common, 6 is 18x plus 6 is 12 equal to 0. Then 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Because 6 does not equal to 0. 6 is the constant number, this will not give it, then this will be 0. So then x equal to minus 2 by 3. This is your critical point. We are finding in this function, critical point is x equal to minus 2 by 3. 6 will be not 0 because this is the constant number. Now, third step, allocate the points on number line. This is the number line and allocate the point. This is the minus 2 by 3. Negative number. Similarly thing, you check the left side sign and right side sign. So now, suppose this, I am taking on left side number 1. Any number, this is not fit with which number you want to take. Left side of this number, meaning less than of this number and more than. You want any number, you take one any number. positive any number, suppose you take here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is not matter. You are taking here -1, -2, -3, this is not matter. Any number, this left side of this number and right side of this number. Means left side means negative number here, this is negative, or right side will be positive number. Suppose I am taking here -2 and here taking +2. Minus left side and right side is +2. So now then check this number. When x equal to -2, left side number, then sign of the f dash x. F dash x is -2. What sign here? 18 into -2 plus 12. It means -36 plus 12. So what result will come? -24. This is the negative sign. This is the negative, means left side sign is the negative. Similarly, we check here right hand side number. When x equal +2, then f dash equal to 2 equal here 18 into 2 plus 12 plus 12 48. This is the positive sign. Left side sign is the negative and right side sign is the positive. That means this is the converted into negative to positive. Same part first. Once again, you take any number here but less than this number. Suppose you are taking a -3, then you can take here. Suppose you take once here -4, then not problem. Any means less than this number, you can take any number here. Same things here. You take any more than number of this number. Suppose +3, +4, +5, +6. This is not matter. And check in these points. Main number you are this. This is your main number. This is your main number. Critical point you are this. The left side of the critical point or right side of the critical point. Take any number. This is not matter. This is right hand side. So it means sign again change -2 plus, then it will be so x equal to -2/3 is a minimum point. So when changing negative, then x equal to is the minimum point. So function is attaining the minimum value. But then function is attain the minimum value at x equal to -2/3. Now what value of this function here? You will put always in the function this. Don't put here the f dash x. When you find the value of the x function, then put here. Then f -2/3 equal 9 -2/3 square plus 12 into -2/3 plus 2 and solve it. 9 into 2 4/9, square of this negative sign is plus, and 12 to -24, sorry, plus 12 into -2/3 plus 2. Here cancel 3 4 12. Here result will become here 3 4 12. The result become -8 plus 2. 9 to 9 here cancel. What is left? 4 -8 plus 2. It means 6 8 equal to -2. The result here value, this is the negative sign. Means function value of the function is, the minimum value of function is -2. After calculating this, the value is -2. So very simple things here. How to find the maximum value and minimum value, then by the first order. Then note down, then start next question. Class. Next question I am taking the question number second. Question number first and second are similar, but in this question function is a different form. Now look here. Question find the maximum and minimum value. This is the same question first and second, but here function is given the modulus form. Fx equal to modulus x plus 2 minus 1 and function second fx minus modulus x plus 1 plus 3. How to solve the modulus question here? Now look here. Now start the solution. When you remove the modulus, then we will convert in the positive form. We know modulus x plus 2 is greater than equal to 0 in this function. Now look here, when x plus 2 equal modulus here, suppose you are putting x equal to 0, then result will become here 2 answer. When you are putting x equal to minus 2, then result will come here 0. When you are putting x equal to minus 10, then result will come here plus 8. Means this is the value of the modulus. This is the value of the modulus. So means minimum value will come here 0. Minimum value when you putting here minus 2, then result comes 0. So means equal to 0 for every x belong R for any real numbers. You are putting any real number in this modulus, result will become always greater than equal to 0, not negative value or not any other values. Always come in the positive value, but equal 0. 0 here also come here. So therefore, then we can say here, therefore, fx equal modulus x plus 2 minus 1 is always greater than minus 1 for every x belongs R. How it possible? How it possible it? I am putting means suppose this result is possible, then value of this part is greater than equal to 0. So what is left here? Minus 1. So means when modulus x plus 2 minus 1, the value of this part is the greater than equal to 0. Suppose minimum value here 0, so minus 1. What result has come? Minus 1. It means this will be, suppose you are putting any real number in this function, this will become always greater than minus 1, because value of this part is, minimum value of this part here 0, so 0 minus 1. What value of 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So then result will become always equal to minus 1. Any real numbers, for any real numbers, then this is the, it means this is the greater than equal sign. When you are putting the less than, this is the maximum. When greater than, then minimum value. When you are putting this here greater than means minimum value, and this sign maximum value, this is the maximum value. Less than sign always having the maximum value, or greater than sign having the minimum value. Means this is the minimum value. Other value is minus, greater than minus 1. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means starting minus 1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's it. It means this is the minimum value. It means this is the minimum value. What is the maximum value? This is not here. Fine. So now, the 4. Minimum value of the function, for minimum value of the function, then mod x plus 2 will be equal to 0. This will be to 0. Then x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. The value of, this is your critical point. This is your critical point. To find in this point value of the minimum value of the function. So now minimum value of function f minus 2 equal minus 2 plus 2 is minus 1. The result always come here minus 1. So this function is attained with is minus 1. So therefore, hence function is attained the minimum value minus 1 at x equal to minus 2. This function, this here value is 0, what is left is minus 1. Which point here? This minus 2. So hence function is attain the minimum value minus 1 at point x equal to minus 2. And this is your graph form. You note down this question. If any question come in the modulus form, you will be take help in this property of the modulus and solve this. Don't go in the first order, second order and third order. You solve it in simple way. Just note down then second part. Yes student, the second part here, the opposite of the first part. Function here same here, function here same, but now start the solution. Gx equal minus mod x plus 1 plus 3. Same things here. We have a property of the modulus. Now modulus at 1 plus 1 is always greater than 0 for every x belong R. Means this value always greater than equal to 0 for every x belong any real numbers. But here using the minus sign, x plus 1 is less than equal to 0 for every x belong R. Suppose here outside your minus sign, then this will be greater than sign will converted into less than equal to for every x belong R. Next, so then the function, therefore gx is always equal minus x plus 1 plus 3 less than equal, what will you come? 3. Same number here, right? Less than equal to 3. This will become less than equal to 0, then less than equal to 3. Then means here less than equal sign means less than of the 3 means less than of the 3 means 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Means this is the less than equal to the maximum value. This is the maximum value. Other value always reducing here. Other value 3, 2, 1, 0. But this in this 3 the maximum value is 3. Other values always reducing and what is the last value? This is not here, but this value also is the less than of the 3. 3 is less than 2, then 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4, minus 1, and so on. It means this value always is the less than. This value is the maximum value. This is not minimum value. This is the maximum value. You compare minus 2 and 3, the 3 is greater. This means 3 is the maximum value. So the 3 is the maximum value for every x belong R. Now maximum value of function gx, maximum value of function gx when this will become gx when minus x plus 1 equal to 0. What value of this equal to? This equal to 0. So then you will convert here to x plus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 1. Yes. X equal to minus 1, then you putting, this is your critical point, then you putting this value in gx. Now g minus 1, what will you have? Minus 1 plus 1, this is equal to plus 3. So what result here come? Plus 3. This will become cancelled here, this is plus 3. This is your value of the minus 1. Hence maximum value of gx is 3 at x equal minus 1. This is your answer. Very simple things here, no any confusion here. You take help with the property of the modulus and solve this. Just note down. Then next question. Yes, student, next question I am taking question number third. Same question but function is changed. In this question I am taking the trigonometrical function. The trigonometrical function, some different tricks here and using this limit also. This is the range of this. Yes, now start the solution. Function here given fx sin x minus cos x. This question will be solved in the second order derivatives because in this tricks you are using the very easy of this question. Now first differentiate at the first time here f dash x, here sin x is cos x and cos x is the plus sin x, minus minus is cos x. Again differentiate here, then find the point in the critical point in this function. 4 maxima and minima. F dash x equal to 0, then cos x plus sin x equal to 0, then sin x equal to minus cos x. We are putting your sin x upon cos x equal to minus this cos x taking the denominator, then this converting the tan x equal to minus 1. Our value of the tan is tan minus pi by 4. This is the tan x. Again here minus sign convert into tan pi minus pi by 4. This is your tan x. When pi minus pi by 4 means this is the second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is the negative. This is the second quadrant, pi minus pi by 4. This is the second quadrant. Or second quadrant tan having the negative sign. The tan pi minus pi by 4 minus tan pi by 4. So this minus sign converted into in second quadrant. So now what value of the x here? This is the x pi minus pi by 4. What result come here? 4 on 3 pi by 4. This is the second quadrant, but we are using the limit 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. This 0 to the first quadrant to second quadrant. So suppose you are putting the 2 pi here, then converting the fourth quadrant also tan here. Now tan x equal to tan 2 pi minus pi by 4 also. Fourth quadrant also tan is negative. Means second quadrant and this is the fourth quadrant. So then what value of the x here? 2 pi minus pi by 4. Because your limit given 0 to 2 pi. Here x equal to 7 pi by 4. What value of the x? X having 2.3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. Here two critical point of this. This is your two critical point, 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. Now check these points. If this is maxima point or minima point. How check it? Again you differentiate of this function. Then using the second derivative test. Now from first again differentiate. Means f double dash x. Means suppose you are putting the values in second order, then you will check the point as maximum or minimum. So first differentiate of this. What value of the cos x? The minus sin x, and sin x is cos x. Second order derivative. When putting 3 pi by 4 here, when x equal to 3 pi by 4, then f double dash x 3 pi by 4 here minus sin 3 pi by 4 plus cos 3 pi by 4 this way, and minus here, minus sign. How to what value of 3 pi by 4? Convert this again. Sin pi minus pi by 4 here plus cos pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4, then minus sin pi minus pi by 4 and cos pi minus pi by 4. So what value come here? Minus sin pi by 4. What sign will be there? Sin 180 minus theta. Sin 180 minus theta means sin theta, because this is coming the second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is the positive. So sin pi by 4. Again here cos pi minus 4. This is the second quadrant also. Second quadrant cos is the negative sign. Then cos pi by 4. What value of the pi by 4 is sin? Minus 1 by root 2. Again minus 1 by root 2. What will have come here? Minus 2 upon root 2. Then result will be minus root 2. This is the less than of the 0. Minus root 2 means this is the result come here minus root 2. This is result less than of the 0. The value of the here f double dash 3 pi by 4. What will come here? Minus root 2. After calculating this, then this result come minus root 2, or minus means negative value. Negative value is less than 0. Or when you are less than sign, that this means this is the maximum value. When less than 0, that this means this is the maximum point, and then find the value of the maximum point. Yes. Yes, start here. This is the maximum point. What is the maximum point? So x equal to 3 pi by 4 is maximum point. X equal to 3 pi by 4 is the maximum point, because this is the less than 0. So less than means maximum point. So then function attain maximum value at x equal 3 pi by 4. What value find? Putting the value sign here, f 3 pi by 4. What value of the maximum? Putting here again sin 3 pi by 4 minus cos 3 pi by 4. Similarly, break down this again. Sin pi minus pi by 4. Break down this 3 pi minus pi by 4 and minus cos pi minus pi by 4. So sin again this. If this is second quadrant, this is also second quadrant. But then convert it to sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4. This sign minus or from this minus is plus, because second quadrant cos is the negative sign. Cos pi by cos sin is the second quadrant positive, but cos is the second quadrant the negative. Cos pi minus pi by 4 is will be minus cos theta, then minus minus plus. This is the pi by 4. Putting the value of sin 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. What way to come here? 2 upon root 2. This is come the positive root 2. So means this is the value function of 3 pi by 4. This is the maximum value. Maximum value function root 2. This is the maximum point, and this is the maximum value. Similarly, we will find the value of 7 pi by 4. Same thing, both the points. This is the only the 3 pi by 4. Then again similarly solve the 7 pi by 4. Just note down. Then start 7 pi by 4. Yes, student. The 3 pi by 4 work is completed. Then again next critical point you have 7 pi by 4. So now using this, this point is maximum point or minimum point. Now first check this in the, you are putting this point in this function again, then you will check this point is maximum or minimum. Now when x equals 7 pi by 4, pi by 4 means f double dash at 7 pi by 4 equal to minus sine 7 pi by 4 plus cos 7 pi by 4. This point putting the second derivative test for checking if this point is minima or maxima. Same things here. And now minus sine 2 pi minus pi by 4. You break down 7 pi by 4. 4 to the 8 minus 1. It means 7 pi by 4. 7 by break down 2 pi minus pi by 4 plus cos 2 pi minus pi by 4. Now look here. 2 pi means fourth quadrant. When you subtracting in the fourth quadrant, then this is the fourth quadrant. 2 pi minus pi by 4 means fourth quadrant. Same thing here, this is the fourth quadrant. Our sine is the fourth quadrant, negative sign, and cos is the positive. In fourth quadrant, cos is the positive, as sine is the negative. So using here, when it is negative and minus here plus sine pi by 4, or cos also positive here, so cos pi by 4. Sine also come here negative sign. When sine 2 pi minus theta, now look here, sine 2 pi minus theta, the answer here minus sine theta. 2 pi minus theta means minus sine theta. This is the minus sign or this minus sign, come in the positive. Convert in the positive sign, but then putting the value here, the sine pi by 4 means 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. What value of 2 upon root 2? This means root 2 or root 2 is greater than 0. This is the positive sign. Root 2 is the greater than 0. Its mean greater than 0 means this point is the minima point because this is a greater than 0. So x equal 7 pi by 4 is minima point. This point is the minima point, then function attain the minimum value. So then function attain the minimum value at x equal 7 pi by 4. Putting the value again same here, f 7 pi by 4 sine 7 pi by 4 minus cos 7 pi by 4. Again break down it, 7 pi by 4, 2 pi minus, same thing here, 7 2 pi minus pi by 4 minus cos 2 pi minus pi by 4. Again here change, same thing here, this is the fourth quadrant sign is the negative sign, then minus sine pi by 4, or here plus sign to cos pi by 4. So this is the minus 7, so minus 1 by root 2, or here minus 1 by root 2. What result come here? Minus 2 upon root 2, the result will come minus root 2. So this is the minimum value, function 7 pi by 4. This is your minimum value, this is your minima point, and this is your maxima point. A very simple thing here, if any function come in the trigonometric function, then you will solve in this way with help of the second order derivative test. Don't use the first derivative test. It's any trigonometric function very easy with help of the second derivative test. Just note down the next question.